Hello guys, welcome to my channel Abdush World. My name is Abduslam. As we all know how to change the boot animation of smartphones, but today in this video I am going to show you how to change the boot animation of keypad phones. So let's get started. First of all, we need to record a video and make sure the video is just for 20 seconds. Record. So enough. Now stop it. Play it once as you wish. Now go to set as, click on power on display, and when you turn on the phone this display will appear. If you wish you can set as power off display also. So let's try it. As you can see, it's working. So now on it also. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel, and comment me down for more videos, and comment me down what type of videos you want to see.